Yo, hey man, say man, how's your day, man? It's for Trader G. I'll come out with another video, man. Let's go out and get in this video, man. I'm about to waste y'all time because I don't want you wasting mine. Y'all want to learn how to trade? I'm about to teach you how to get paid. Oh, you feel me? Y'all know my baby sleep. I just put him down. So, hey, you feel me? Y'all know what's going on. I'm not too happy about this morning. I'm going to keep it 1,000 with y'all. Listen. I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with y'all. You feel me? I missed out on like what, $470, $490 because I was trying to take screenshots for y'all. So that is over with. I don't care. You either believe me or don't believe me. I ain't taking no more screenshots for y'all because I missed out on money on that. And then I thought, and what happened? So I missed out on money on this trade. I entered in because we broke to the downside after 9:30, right? External high. There was really no external low because no solidifier had put in. But 9:30 pushed to the downside. Then 9:32 pushed the upside. So on that way to the upside, being that I knew we were going for this external liquidity, I got in the buy. And I got in the buy and I was up like 470, 490. And I kept trying to screenshot it, bro. And that shit came all the way down and took me out at break even. So that pissed me off, right? And then when it came to this down here, I entered in this trade, had like a little small stop loss. It took me out my trade. And the reason why I was pissed off because it's like I could have been done with my trading day, and then I ended up losing like a little money, like $100 and some dollars, and so that pissed me off. It was like two something. It was like $200 some dollars. Okay, now, so I made $700 minus two something, so 765. I made like $500 a day. All right, because I ended up waiting on this right here because of course you see I have my external liquidities to the downside marked out, right? That's what these red marks are. The upside, that's what these blue marks are. So my whole thing was, okay, you guys know the exceeded edge model. Break after 9:30, first contact with a high time frame internal. We didn't touch a high time frame internal. We came close, but the 2-hour and the 4-hour were the first high time frame internals that we touched. And what are high time frame internals? Hour to whatever your highest is. And what are internals? Fair value gaps, inverted fair value gaps. Well, what are those things? They are 3 candle patterns with an opening between the first and the third candle. If there's no opening between the first and the third candle, 3 candle pattern with an opening between the first and the third. If there's no opening between the first and the third, it's not neither one of those. So, GDO, why did you get in this trade? Okay, well, I had already seeing that we were set, and I ain't gonna lie, bro, I study every day, so it's kind of hard to even answer that. Bro, this is my life, you feel me? So I study every day. Man, I'm just mad, bro. I study every day, bro. So I already knew what time it was. We touched this. This was the first high time frame internal. We swept external liquidity to the upside. Then we came down here and we kept playing with this external low. Okay, this was the low that caused this buy candle to pass these highs. We solidified it at 934. External high, external low. We kept playing. Then we finally broke. I entered in right here. I didn't wait for the close because from that point where I was comfortable, that's like 50. Bless me. That's like 51 points. So 51 points for me, and what I was trading is $510. All right. So I was like, okay, cool. We'll go ahead and get that and then get up out of there because sometimes coming in contact with the internal, you should expect some type of reaction. All right. But how I've been trading lately is, man, if we're going to go down here and get this external low, we're going to try our best to come get him. That's why you see my take profit at 265 and my stop loss at 50. Now, I got out with, let me look for you guys. I don't want to lie to you. Let me go to my account and see what I got out with. I got out with 762 or 772. I got out with 772. So 772 minus 772. 772 minus 218. 554. So I made 554 today. Okay. It could have been more because as you can see, man, it's doing exactly what I thought it was gonna do. But yeah, hey, you know how them nerds get, man. I'm normal, just like yeah, we all human. You feel me? We all human. So yeah, I got out with 554, and I'm okay with that. We're gonna move on, right? Get ready for tomorrow. I think tomorrow. Let me see, because I have my iMac that I'll be going back and forth on. I think tomorrow we have. Tomorrow we got FOMC minutes at 2, but shit, that shouldn't really affect the market too much. It's like with FOMC minutes, it's either gonna slow down the market at 9:30, or the market's gonna go crazy and then it's gonna go like a little medium, like mid at 2 o'clock. So as you can see, man, the trade is hitting. If man, shit. I should have stayed in, but shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? I got out with my 554, and I'm okay with that. You know what I'm saying? Because on that initial sell, I like it again. I didn't wait for it to close, so that initial sell, I got in around like 9:44, and it took me out. I had lost like 218. This right here, I was at like 490, 470, and then I moved my price to break even, and it took me out, as you can see. So I knew that we were gonna try to come get these external draws of liquidity, and this is a daily internal. So that's the thing, guys. You got to remember that price reacts off of external liquidity, which are highs and lows. You see my highs, you see my lows, and internal liquidity. Now there's different ways to use this, and when it sauce it up, you feel me? Like I always tell my family in my Discord, man, we all eating steak and potatoes, but your seasoning may be a little different than mine. You feel me? So sauce it up how you want to, man. Sometimes I use my externals in regard, well, definitely for my entry time frame, I use my externals for in regard to breakup structures. When it comes to like my targeting, I'm just using straight up externals. And as you can see, man, we're heading down to 265, bro. This is a external liquidity draw. So I'm pretty interested to see if price actually goes all the way down to it. But for us today, man, we have already made our money for today. Okay, $554. We got out with 772. We got out with 772. But because I think, yeah, because it went like 83 points. It was like 85 points from my original weight. I'm tripping. Because I ain't tripping. I said 83 before I even started the video. Yeah, it went like 83 points, right? And I screenshot it. And then I tried to like... I'm done screenshotting for y'all. I'm not screenshotting no more. You feel me? I'm not doing it no more, bro. But I tried to screenshot it for you, and then it went to like 77 points. So I went ahead and got that. So that's why I got out with $772 minus the $218 I lost on the first entry on the sale. $554 for the day. So I can't be upset about that at all. Good day. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't be mad, bro. I just want to see if price is actually going to be drawn to this external liquidity that I have marked out, man. If you guys want to learn how to trade like this, man, visit neverquitexceed.com. Join the Discord. It's free. Be around like-minded people. Like I said, I'm just trying to see if it's about to hit this take profit at 265 points. I already made my money for the day, $554. Could have been more. I made 772, but my first entry on this sale, I lost $218 because I didn't wait for the close, right? It is okay though. We made our money. Don't be greedy. To be honest, like again, if you passed by $554 on the sidewalk, you're not gonna walk past it. So don't even play with me like that. You feel me? So we're just waiting to see if this price is gonna be drawn to this this external liquidity that I have marked out. And if you want to see how I mark out my external liquidities, wherever I come into the market before 9:30 opening, I just go to my 5-minute, mark out the external highs, right? The external highs, and then I mark the external low. So you see this low right here. If you come way over here, damn, they're a bit far. You can see him over here. You can see him right here. So it'll look something like this. And I know it may be like, well, why does that matter if it's all the way over there? Trust me, it definitely matters. if it's not, if it hasn't already been played through or it hasn't been canceled out, it definitely matters. And it looks like we're gonna go to it, man. That would have been $2,850 if I would have stayed in. But it's okay. It's okay. We gonna watch this Joker hit this external liquidity, then we gonna bounce, man. Because like I said, today's been pretty decent. Can't be upset about nothing, really. I'm mad I lost that trade on that first entry, but man, it's beautiful to just see these trades play out how they do, bro. It's very beautiful because I study a lot, like to the point of exhaustion. And to be honest, that's what's required. Like I know he's like, oh yeah, no, I ain't doing that. Well, you may not make it. Most likely you're not gonna make it. Like you really have to put in the work for these things. Because think about it. 99% of people would never experience what it feels like to be a profitable trader, right? Okay. So if that's the statistics and if you know that's a real stat just based off of life, don't let Instagram fool you, bro. That wealth stuff is not a common thing, okay? So if that's the case, you have to do what most people are not willing to do. And yes, that's my life. I do that every day. That's why I can't really relate to most people. Like I've been doing this for years, dude, like just busting my ass. So it's paying off how I wanted to. Slowly, surely, we're polishing up to my liking. I've been that, you know what I'm saying? But to my liking, you guys have to be able to be satisfied with yourself, okay? And again, bro, just even if it didn't hit this external liquidity that I have drawn out, bro, shoot, bro, that's 224 points. 224 points. So, hey, man, it's Forever Trader GDO. Coming back with another video, man. If you guys want to learn how to trade like this again, man, visit neverquitexceed.com. Become a profit time. Go visit that website. Check it out. Join the links below. We do this every day, man. We do this every day. Yes, sir.